Hello, Pokemon trainers and fans. Welcome to the Sewing Gym. Here we make a variety of sewing projects and adorable plushies. So today we have a challenge for you. Can you figure out who's that Pokemon in this shape? And you're going to try to figure out what Pokemon it is. It's not in this original shape, so it's the add to the extra challenge. You can go behind the scenes as we sew, embroider this cute, adorable plush. Will you be able to figure it out? Well, let's go find out. What are we waiting for? Let's go, Pokemon trainers! Welcome back, Pokemon trainers. Have you figured it out yet? Which Pokemon it is? Well, here's the final thing. Yes, it's Coco from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Isn't it just the cutest squishable thing? Well, if you figured it out, awesome! Now be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these kind of videos. I also make some sewing and crafting tips, so be sure to hang around and see what else is next. Look forward to seeing you guys next time.